Somebody's Peterbilt. Oh, I know they were mad when that happened. That looks like a trailer backed in there. You see those marks right there? The hinges on the trailer doors. That's what that looks like. All right, good afternoon. Let's see, it is Monday, Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. I got my little truck back today, my little Ford Ranger. I went and loaded. We'll go take a look at it. I went and loaded, and I was actually on my way up to Rock Island. I'd only left about 30 minutes. The Ford dealer called me and said the truck was ready, so I actually turned around and came back. Long story short, I've made myself have a long day tomorrow. We're going to be leaving about 4 o'clock in the morning to get up to Rock Island to deliver in time. Little Bailey's outside. So they ended up replacing the head. The head was cracked. That's the head right there. Now I've already driven it around, and I drove it for like 2 hours and just to make sure everything was going good, but that's what it was a cracked head. There was coolant in the #1 cylinder, and that's what they determined. Was the Ford dealer. He said that, man, it's not very common for a cracked head on these. My theory is this winter was crazy cold, and you know, the truck might not have had the right antifreeze mixture, you know, ratio in there, and maybe it froze and cracked the head or something. I don't know. It runs good now. So it was $2,700 for everybody wants to know. So we have, lift this up here, hang on a second. They call them air conditioner cribs. I think that's what they're called, AC cribs. I honestly don't know what they are. The guy told me they go on the roofs. We only got 5,000 pounds on there. So we're gonna take off in the morning with those. It does have sharp edges, and it was raining when I tarped this, and I already see one spot coming through. So we're definitely gonna have to do some patching. The hardest thing about these is they're open on the top, so you can't walk across the top to roll the tarp out. Bailey has been mad all day. I left her in the truck in a crate when I went to go pick up the little truck, and she has just been really mad at me all day. All right, Dorsey doing good. Oh man. All right, so now I got to take the little truck and park it over into the parking lot that we're allowed to park our vehicles in, and then take a shower and get going. Somebody's Peterbilt. Oh, I know they were mad when that happened. That looks like a trailer backed in there. You see those marks right there? The hinges on the trailer doors. That's what that looks like. It's a good looking Peterbilt. I was trying to figure out what year. You always kind of look at the mirrors. I think 05 they changed the mirrors, so I don't know. All right, that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick update what's going on. I'm happy I got my little truck back, and see you in the morning. We're gonna be leaving early in the morning. All right, good morning. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, and we are ready to go. Bailey's been out, I've been out. I got coffee. As you can see, we're at Mercer. We got, well, Google Maps says it'll take 6.5 hours, but I always like to add about 30 minutes to that for truck time. So we're probably about 7 o'clock, or 7 hours, I mean. So get up there about 10:30-ish. Might have to stop and get some fuel somewhere. Hey, that's enough. So there's security cameras all over the place here, and they have 24-hour security, and somebody's watching the cameras and they saw me coming out. So somebody is on the job this morning. We're going up 65 to 74. 74, I think 74 all the way over. Yeah, 74 over to Rock Island. Don't know what I'm going to do after Rock Island yet. I do know I need to end up in Alabama on Tuesday morning at 9 o'clock. Get on 65 north here up to Indy. This is a toll road going up through here, and I could have gone around, but honestly I was too lazy. It takes about 5 minutes further to go around. So this is an expensive 5 minutes. It's $13 to go across this bridge. But we're all about time this morning. I get nice and early in the morning like this. Not too much traffic on the road. The problem with flatbedding, driving it early in the morning like this is most customers are normal business hours. You know, 7 to 5, 7 to 3, something like that. And if you're driving at 3 in the morning, your day's over at 5 o'clock. Because that's 14 hours. So your 14 hours will stop. Alright, looks like we're getting a little bit of drizzle. Let's make our way to Indy and talk to you in a bit. Alright, we've gone about 300 miles. We still got about 120 miles to go. We stopped at a rest area, take Bailey out. Now we've stopped within the 300 miles, but it's a nice quiet rest area. I haven't done a rest area review in a long time, but you see where the parking spots are right here? See that one spot right there? If you park right there, there's not enough room to swing out to get out. So I definitely would not park here at nighttime. See how close the gap is there? If this place was full. Our load's doing good. Dorsey Trailer's looking good. Today's video sponsored by Dorsey Trailer. Go check them out. Got the lift axle up. That only weighs about 2,000 or 3,000 pounds. It's not heavy at all. Tarp's doing pretty good too. We'll walk over and take a look at the tarp. All right, let's take a quick look at this tarp job here. I got Bailey up in the truck. So I thought I was doing pretty good with my tarp, but you see that rip right there? So I'll have to patch that. Let's see if I can show you guys what I was dealing with. So if you look in there real quick, see those corners right there? That's what I was dealing with. And but I only got 100 miles to go, 120 miles. So hopefully. Now remember, the load pays good if I got my big tarp out. So just remember that. All right, let's get going. I did book another load for tomorrow, going down to Tennessee, down to Nashville, and then that'll put us pretty close to Alabama. So that's the plan.
Take the next right onto Mill Street.
Alright, we made it over here to Rock Island, Illinois.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Figure out where this place is.
Your destination is on the left.
Figure out what to do here. I'm gonna back up in here. Oh, let's do this. I'm gonna go in here and yell at them. There's a loading dock right over there, so I wanted to make sure that I go to the right spot. He said to pull into this driveway here, and I asked him, pull in? He said yes. I said okay. So I was hoping I can get out. I have to back out. I have to back out. Figure out how to get out of here and when we're done, I reckon. Alright, it is Friday afternoon. We're over here in St. Louis, and it's hot. It's hot. Let's see what the temperature is. Oh, 91. Feels like 100. It's hot. I'm over here. I couldn't find anything I wanted to haul or anything worth hauling out of Rock Island going down to Alabama, because I'm still going to go do that load going home. So I come over here to Granite City. They got a load going down to Nashville, which isn't too bad, but it's a load of baby coils. They're not skidded coils. They're loose coils, 5 of them. Originally, I wasn't going to do it. It didn't pay enough. It still don't pay enough. So, all right, we made it over here to Mount Vernon, Illinois. It's hot. We're gonna camp out here today, tonight, and then we'll head down to Nashville tomorrow. Hang on a second, I'm fixing my sunshade. There we go. I'm liking this camera. I'm hoping it works pretty good. So we're gonna keep using that. We loaded skidded coils. We'll go out and take a look real quick. I did want to. I don't usually complain about traffic, but man, this summer it seems like traffic is drivers are a little more aggressive. I don't know why. I think maybe because everybody's been cooped up or whatever. I don't know, it might be just me getting old, but man, weekend traffic is tough. So that's one reason I'll go home. I'm gonna stay home over 4th of July weekend too. But we'll fight a little bit of traffic tomorrow. Got about 250 miles, give or take, down to Nashville. So, but anyway, I know I try not to complain about traffic too much. I see a lot more RVs this year on the road. I think a lot of people bought RVs while they were stuck at home, and there's a lot of people on the road. This is their first year pulling their RV. So I see people pulling an RV with a little SUV, and I don't know who told them that was a good idea, but it's scary sometimes. All right, that's enough of me complaining. I gotta get the air going. I turned the truck off so you can hear me. I gotta get the air going for her because it is hot. Doesn't take long for it to get hot in here. So let me run outside. We'll take a look at what we got real quick. All right, so we picked up, I call them baby coils. So we got 5 of them. They weigh about 8,000 pounds a piece. They're just a lot of work. You need 15. Oh, what's going on back here? I'm gonna have to fix that. That's a little floppy. Don't like that. So you need 5 sets of coil racks. That's a total of 10 racks. 15 pieces of wood, because well, it's hard to show. If you just use 2 pieces of wood, the coil will sit down on the trailer, so you got to use an extra piece to keep it from sitting on the trailer. It's just a lot of work. It's not like skidded coils, just throw them on there and throw some straps and go. So it definitely requires a little bit more work. I tried to get as close as I could back here so my nose isn't sticking out. I want to take Bailey out. They got some nice grass area out here, so we'll take Bailey out there. All right, let's call it quits for this weekend, and talk to you later. Thanks for watching.